Hello everyone, welcome to the GardenHula channel. Today I'm doing a video on how to make the Loquat tea. This is the Loquat leaf that I got from my friend. In order to make the tea, we need to have a teapot, the cup, bottle of hot water. Alright, so right. We need to make the leaf in small pieces. We put the leaf in the teapot holder. So this is the actually just put one more. Okay, this all right, we put in the teapot. Yeah, I gotta do traditional way because they had the pressure, so that's why. So we close the cap, swirl a little bit. So far so good. Alright, so this is the tea. We're gonna wait for like 10 minutes. Once we're coming back, we enjoy the Loquat tea. Alright, welcome back. After 10 minutes, I think the tea is ready. They're so good, it's so fresh. Let me have one more. So that is it. That's how you make the Loquat tea from the fresh Loquat leaf. Also, this is the star fruit. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later.